Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. Ender pearl is an item from the game Minecraft. It is dropped by Endermen and is used for teleportation when thrown, making it a useful tool for movement and escape pronunciation. French. In France, the term ender pearl is pronounced ender pearl, with a smooth ender and a clear pearl, ender pearl, giving it a steady and natural sound. American. In America, people say ender pearl with emphasis on the first word, ender pearl, making it sound firm and direct. British. In the UK, it's pronounced undue pearl, with a softer duh and rounder pearl. Undue pearl, giving it a smoother, relaxed tone. Summary. French, ender pearl. American, ender pearl. British, undue pearl. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.